Hey folks, Dave Stanley here with Red Leaf Technology, just showing off the new TSC-32 touchscreen control surface. It's fully compatible with Protools, Cubase, Nuendo, basically anything that you can use with the mouse or operate with a mouse. This will be compatible with. Right now I've got a Pro Tool session up that I'm going to show you some basic editing functions and how the mixer window works. This touchscreen is based on Surface Acoustic Wave technology, which is much easier to operate than the previous versions that we've had. And it's just a lot more stable, a lot easier to use, a little bit more intuitive as far as, how, the amount of pressure that you need to, exert on the touchscreen to make it operate. So it's been quite well. It's doing quite well, and so we're quite happy with it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the mixer window here right first, and we'll just bring up just the faders here, and I'll just gonna go ahead and start playback. And as you can see here, here's the faders like you're normally used to seeing. As you can see, it's very easy, very accurate to get get your fingers on the faders. There's the solo button. Take the mute off there. There's the solo. I can move through all my banks here. Get about 16 or 18 faders up on screen while you're using the edit window. Of course, pan works just the same as you do with the mouse. You just click and drag with your finger. Makes it quite easy. Down so it's not distorting. There you have it. Close this guy off. I have a hotkey set up here, so I can just instead of having to reach for the keyboard, I've got this floating hotkey panel here, that will allow me to cut. I can just hit the cut button and then go down here and paste that little bit wherever I wanted, and I can move it on out if I wanted. Of course, Control Z can undo whatever you wanted to do, whatever happened. I'll show that again. I'm going to show you cut and paste here. There's paste. Do a zoom, or do a fade on that little bit there. Also, trim to the end and start is pretty handy. I've got that set up in a hotkey here. I can trim the beginning from that point, or the end from that point also, which is quite handy to have. I have that set up as a hotkey, just a letter, because I have the A to Z button going over here. Of course, I've got undo. Of course, I can just hit the Apple Z key that I've programmed. And I've got the space key programmed as well, just to initiate transport.